Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Mwaka. I am a mom to an 11-month old baby boy. We are just a few weeks away to make 1 year. It's a whole, I have a whole lot of mixed feelings about it. Sometimes it feels like he's outgrowing my arms very fast. But it's also an amazing feeling knowing that I've been taking care of a human being who has been completely dependent on me for the past 11 months. So yeah, let's talk about today's video. Today's video is just spend a day with us. You know, we're just trying to do a bit of errands here and there. So yesterday I did my hair, hence the ends of my braids look like that. My sister did my hair yesterday. So let's see how far we can go. So we'll skip the whole bathing thing and the eating thing, because we do it, you know, fighting with each other, because homeboy runs around, he does all the crazy things, so I can't just be leaving my phone everywhere. So that's why it's a bit difficult now to vlog details. So this is just the morning when we just woke up. We just cleaned the face, brushed up, and yeah. So from here we ate and everything, took a shower. So now it's just to pick outfits for the day. So yeah, I just picked my dress. I just picked the simplest because we were running late. Had to go to Natis, so I just had to pick the easiest, you know, fast dress. So dress is it's easier to dress up because you don't need to look for a top, you don't need to look for a bottom. It's just one outfit. Okay, so here I'm just picking his outfit too, and then off we'll go. There's my breast pads. I used them at least twice. Glasses, and we sorted out like a small bag that we're taking with it. This is just what my baby is eating lately. These ones, they help with teething. Yeah. So the first stop was here. The dog dropped the cool box, and I'm done with that. I forgot I was vlogging, so I forgot to show you guys, take you with. But now we are going to Natis to renew the disc. Expired end of February, so let's go. Right, so after Natis we had to go to Blackchain to deposit money for fish and all that. Why I chose Blackchain is because I'm now a bit familiar with it. I'm a bit familiar with the depositing machine, and it's just near Soweto Market. You all know my shop is at Soweto Market, so this is basically where I come and deposit the money, because right now that's the bank that I'm using. So it's just easier. It's just a few, you can say max 5 kilometers from Soweto Market. So, and from here we're going to Soweto Market to get I'm taking the suits for dry cleaning. Suits for dry cleaning. So yeah, the queue was a bit hectic. Seniors kept coming in front, and the pregnant ladies and all that. So it's like every time you want to go forward, there's two more people coming in front of you. So I just decided, let me get something for me and the boy and my sister to drink here in Pick and Pay. So I was just also indecisive of what I wanted, but I just ended up getting juice. I took Shkandela for the boy, and also my sister got Coke. So we left the shop. So now let's head to Soweto Market to drop off the suits for dry cleaning. Then we'll head back home to refresh. This was like around 4-5ish, because Natis, I know it closes at 3:30, and I was inside when they closed. So yeah, let's go. Let's take the suits. Hello. 3 suits, dry cleaning. How much? 3 suits. $300. Maybe tomorrow. Yes. Tomorrow. So when we got home, I just remember that I had an appointment to do my nails, and then we just quickly had to go in and do my nails. So if you watched this video this far, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, guys, leave a comment, like and share. I'll see you in my next one. Love you.